In this video, I'll show you how to create bold text in a Facebook post. By default, Facebook doesn't include a built-in bold formatting option for regular posts, but you can use a text formatting tool to generate bold Unicode text. First, open your web browser and visit a trusted bold text generator. Type or paste the text you want to make bold into the input box. The tool will instantly generate several bold text styles. Choose the style you like, then tap Copy. Next, open the Facebook app and sign in to your account. Tap What's on your mind or Create Post to start a new post. Paste the bold text into your post, then add any photos, videos, or additional text if needed. Preview your post to make sure the bold text displays correctly on your device. Keep in mind that bold Unicode text may appear differently on some devices or platforms, and not every font style is supported everywhere. Once you're satisfied with your post, tap Publish to share it with your audience. That's all it takes to create bold-looking text in a Facebook post. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.